Hi guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, right now I'm standing on a very famous lane near to Christ University, which is called the Chick Lane, and I will be showing you guys a lot of student accommodations. Today I am touring Aishwarya PGs, which is a 20-year-old brand around Christ University Central Campus. Currently they hold 12 properties around Christ University Central Campus, and all of them are for girls. Come, let's take a tour inside.
Hi Kavach, it's nice to meet you. I've heard a lot about you in the YouTube channel and it's very great.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and thank you for allowing us to take a tour of your property.
No, it's very nice of you to come here.
Yes. So ma'am, when should we get started with the room tour?
Yes, you can. This property of mine is full.
Okay.
Kavach, my administrator, Miss Kajal,
Yes.
Miss Kajal, she will guide you towards the tour of the other buildings.
Hi, Kavach.
Yes. She will take you for a tour and you can have a look of all the properties.
Yes. Alright ma'am, okay. Thank you so much ma'am. I will get started.
Yeah, sure. Please come.
Guys, right now we are outside Aishwarya 9 and we will be taking a tour of the rooms.
This is second floor. 6 girls are staying. This is BHK type of room. Come here.
So, like they said that this is a 3 BHK model where 6 girls will be staying. And the best part is the outdoor space that there is. So there is a sofa seater, there is TV here, and then there is a dining table. So like lots of space which you would not find otherwise. I'll take you to the rooms now. Come. Alright, so this is one of the rooms. Here are the 2 beds. Their side is the study table 1, study table 2. And there's a window with good ventilation. Yes, that is important. I'll take you to the washroom. Okay, before the washrooms, they have a proper vanity, like a dressing table kind of a thing, which is very unusual to see in a room, but then because it's a BHK model, it is. And inside here are the cupboards. So like you can see, here are the cupboards. It's a full-fledged cupboard. I'll take you to the washroom now. So here's the washroom. You have the wash basin here, the WC, as well as the bathing area with a geyser. I think that this whole place has a very homely vibe. Like usually, so much spaces are usually in the homes of people. So it's very nice. I'll take you to the other room now. Come, let's go. So this is the other room, and this is even bigger. So just like the other room, you have to first of all a study table here with a view with good ventilation, 2 beds with study table, and full-fledged cupboards. The washrooms are just like the same in the previous room, and there's a storeroom as well, but that's locked because some person's stuff is already there. But looks very big and huge, and like I said, it has a very homely vibe altogether. Hi, welcome.
Ishan, nice to meet you.
Guys, right now I'm in Aishwarya Gardenia, and I have with me Mr. Ishan, who's the head of Aishwarya Gardenia.
So Aishwarya Gardenia is one of the most premium brands and most luxurious buildings we ever had. So let me just give you a tour of it.
Sure, come with me. So this is the mess area?
Yes, Kavach. This is one of the mess areas. Most of our students come here and have their lunch and all.
Right. So how many meals are
So
provided
we
here?
provide 4 meals. There's a breakfast, lunch, dinner plus high tea.
Perfect. And like our dorm wardens here on
Yeah,
the...
dorm wardens are here. They live here 24 hours.
Perfect, that's it. We'll go for the room. Sure.
So Kavach, let me just show you one of the apartment-sized rooms.
Okay, this is a double share.
Please come.
Alright. Okay guys, so this is the double sharing room which is going to be shared by 2 girls. This is the common area of the room. You have a study table here, small TV, You have a bookshelf and a couch with your shoe storage. If I'm correct, yes, that's for the shoes. Each of the apartments here will be provided with a personal fridge, and then there's a kitchen here inside. You will be provided with induction, the washing space, plus lots of storage space around. So it's like a kitchen only, so for cooking purposes. I guess this is the washroom. I'll just give you a tour of the washroom. Alright, so this is the washroom, guys. You have the WC here. This is the wash basin. And then this is the bathing area. Like we said, this is all the apartment size rooms, so they look very, very spacious because this is only going to be shared by 2 girls. This is the room inside. Come, guys. Alright, so here are 2 beds. One bed here and the other bed there, with full-fledged cupboards. Okay, they're locked, but yes, they're very big in size. Another very good part is that there is cross ventilation in the room because you have one window here, you can see the SG Parya road, and then behind that is also another window. There are study tables that will be provided, so 2 study tables for 2 people. So, I mean, very, very big, and at the same time very neat and tidy rooms. As space, I guess this is huge because all of this space, one washroom, kitchen, all of that is going to be shared only by 2 girls. So, very, very good. Yeah. So guys, right now I am inside the single sharing room in Aishwarya Gardenia. There's the bed. First of all, it looks very neat and tidy. Then there's a study table and a cupboard. Along with that, there is a window with the view. And the great part is that there's a fridge provided here. Even in the single sharing rooms here, there's a kitchen. So you have a makeshift kitchen here with the wash basin and an induction cooker that will be provided, plus lots of space to keep your things around. I'll give you a tour of the washroom now. Washroom is here. So here is the washroom. You have the wash basin here, the bathing area, and the WC here. For a single person, this is a lot of space, and specifically this area. Plus, I really like the wall colors and everything. Looks very, very sober, neat and tidy. It's drizzling, very usual of the Bangalore weather, but I did not want to miss this part of Aishwarya Gardenia. This is the terrace which is accessed by all the students. First and foremost, there you can see washing machines. So the girls use it for washing their clothes. And then the Bangalore city and its view. Guys, a fun fact, this that you see is a 22-acre garden which is just greenery right now. It looks amazing and very, very serene. And I mean, there is Christ, but it's behind this building, so we're not able to see that. But yeah, like, girls would use this place a lot to come up here, sit and just calm themselves down. Alright guys, we are almost towards the end of our tour with Aishwarya PGs, and I'm back with ma'am, who is the owner of Aishwarya PGs. Ma'am, before we move to cost, I want to ask, like, what all facilities are included in the property?
Basically, we give all the luxury facilities. We give all the luxury facilities like Wi-Fi, washing machine, fridge, there's an induction stove, and it's like a flat, furnished flat with just 2 people in a flat or 4 people in a flat, so that you get the luxury of staying at your house. Like, you feel at home. You're not inclined to the rooms. You have the liberty of living as a house.
Okay. Ma'am, since it's a girls' PG, and I'm pretty sure a lot of parents will be sending their daughters, would have lots of questions related to like security or curfew, deadlines. So what's the thing with that?
Basically, we also have a deadline of 9:30. The child should be in. In case the child is not in, we'll call the parents and inform them. And security like CCTV, 24 hours warden, all are there to take care of the children so that they come on time and go on time.
But ma'am, what if like somebody wants to stay out beyond 9:30?
If they want to stay beyond 9:30, the permission of the parents have to be given to us.
Okay.
And then we allow. It's not that we are not stern on that they have to live. The parents should know and we should know where the child is.
Alright. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, now coming to like the final thing, which is the cost. So we've taken the room tours. So what's the cost structure like?
See, basically we have different kinds of rooms with different kinds of facilities, but the food and all remains the same for all the children. There is nothing that if you are paying less or more, you won't get the facility. The starting rent is from 10,000 to 20,000 to a luxury, most luxurious apartments called Aishwarya PG.
Yeah, okay, we've taken the tour of that, so that's great. But ma'am, like, what about the single sharing rooms? Like, how
We do have single flats also, complete one flat for a child, that is for 34. And then we have little smaller flats for 28. Single rooms are starting at 15,500. We do have singles at the last 10,000 also. It's a very small single in case they want.
Okay, so there is a single room of 10,500
Yes,
also.
10,000, and we are running full because basically
Okay, that's already booked.
Yeah, lot of masters students they prefer a single because of no disturbance.
Right, that's true. So okay, just to summarize all of it, like the triple sharing rooms will start from 10,000
Yes.
rupees per month and will go up to, like, again for single sharing will go up to 34,000 rupees. Ma'am, are there any hidden costs or charges? What's the thing with security deposit, maintenance?
No, we don't. We take just a 2-month security deposit which is adjusted to the last 2 months of the year and annual maintenance fees of 5,000.
Okay.
So there is nothing more than that.
All
But the
right.
child has to remain with us for a year. That's
Okay, so 1 year is
There's
the
a contract.
lock-in.
Yeah,
Okay, so
lock-in
1 year
period.
you would, but I think usually students stay
all
that much.
students. Yes.
Alright, so I guess yeah, that is it, ma'am. First of all, like, again, thank you so much for allowing us to take a tour.
Thank you, Kavach, for coming to us.
No, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Really, it's
Pleasure,
very nice
sir.
of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I will be putting down all the details in the description below of Aishwarya PG. I'll give you a number as well as all the details, so you guys can directly contact them, take a tour just like I did, and if you're coming to Christ University, you can take a tour around just like I did, and you'll find like tons of options. And same hi to ma'am from my side as well. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video till the very end. If you like this video, please smash the like button. Please comment below if you have any doubts, queries, or any question that I forgot to ask ma'am, or you would want to know about Aishwarya PGs. Please comment below. I will surely try answering. And last but not the least, guys, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Take care. Bye bye.